if the legend Frank Howarth can put a water tank on his workshop, then so can I. Like Frank, I'm not a plumber, but this is definitely a workshop project. So there's my tank. It's a 5,000 litre poly tank. Pretty solid. And for the base, I'm going to go for the wooden frame filled with crusher dust. Here's where the tank is going, and the area is very flat. This ground is already compressed road base, so that's a good base to start with. Bummer. Okay, this is not my best or biggest saw, but it's got a good rip blade, and this wood is pretty wet, so I'm going to need all the help I can get. I'm starting the hole at an angle to put it off centre. Then the screw pulls the joint together. Ideally, use a longer piece of wood. Picked up the crusher dust and a lacquer. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going to do a quick call out. Got this crusher dust from Nambour Landscape Supplies. Go and see Brad. He's a really nice bloke and he'll help you out. The $10 to hire that whacker also was really good money spent. I needed the whole family to help move the tank, so I had to do it now at 7 o'clock at night when my eldest son came home from work. Because tomorrow, it's Sunday, and they sleep in till midday. I used some carpet squares from my friend Mark to slide it over the gravel and the frame's edge. Okay, I've just been shopping and I've got the bits and pieces I need to finish the tank install. This ball valve and nipple connector came with the tank. This is a connector for a poly pipe. And there's my poly pipe. Got about 10 metres of it. So out of the ball valve, got a 90-degree elbow, another 90-degree elbow, another 90-degree elbow, up to a connector, and then a nipple connector, and then a tap connector. I'm sure there's probably correct technical terms for these. Tap, don't get that wrong. This part is supposed to be a tank overflow with gasket, but I'm going to use it for the inlet. That should go alright, I hope. Got myself another 90-degree bend, and when it starts to cool off outside, I'll start the install. If I line up these two marks, then the pipe is angling at the right direction. When I got the shed built, I asked the guys for leftover screws, and the guys gave me hundreds. I thought, what the hell? What's going on here? Why didn't they put these screws in my building? But then I realised that some of them have a brown paint on them. These are leftover screws for another job, a brown shed. So, lucky me. Like I bought one. This is fun. I should have become a plumber. Though, I'd like to point out, like Frank, I'm not. So if you're a plumber, I'm really keen to hear what you've got to say in the comments. Just like Lego. And that's the sound of water hitting the bottom of the tank. Now I just need 125 mils of rain. My plumbing job's holding up quite nicely. The only issue is that the tap is a little high in relation to the bottom of the tank. But at this stage it's working alright. Eventually I'm going to have to move it down a bit lower or put a pump on it. Otherwise I'm not going to get the last foot of water out of the tank. The tank's now full. Thanks for watching. Next week I make this outdoor sink station. I hope you enjoyed it.